channel. This is episode 10 of working on the SuperBeetle. And today's video will be part number 2 of working on the interior of the Beetle.
And in part 1 we did the door, so check out the last episode. In part 2 we're working on the chairs. The other thing is right there. Just go down first and then that folds over.
It's gotta be tight there.
What are you gonna haul green to?
I don't know.
What?
Don't film the thing.
So we hammered these pegs down so that they hold on to the fabric, and we did this all the way around the whole entire thing. That's what it looks like. Yeah, there's a wrinkle on that side right over there.
I don't think it was quite centered.
He's screwing in the random screw we found over here. We don't know its purpose, but we're gonna screw it in there anyway. Maybe it help with.
We didn't just find it, we took it off.
Oh. Well, anyway, we just gonna screw the screw in there so it won't, the fabric won't fall off.
Get it in there?
Yep. Oh, you doing this one?
Mm-hmm.
Lay it right side up out in the sun, let it get hot and shrink itself and fit to it better.
Yeah.
Even though it's pretty good.
We got the backrest of the back seat finished.
Yay!
This is the old padding that was in the back seat, and it's got, I don't know, I guess horsehair fibers-ish stuff. I don't know what they're technically called. And then the Cecil padding stuff.
It looks like hay though.
Yeah, I was thinking it could be hay or horsehair. I don't know what it's called.
Me neither.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. All the way back there.
And now it's working, flashing. See, this is barely working though. It's not supposed to.
Huh. Let's do the other one flash. If you look on the other side.
We got the flashers working somewhat. This side ain't working that good.
I thought we had big wire cutters.
Somewhere. One I can't find. Can you twist? Yeah.
So we just took this off. Whatever that stuff is, we really don't know, so don't take it for granted. But it looks like hay to me. But
Whatever they used to use.
yeah, look at that.
Brake light. It off. Brake. Okay.
I'm cutting the burlap, that way it'll cover these springs. The other one I did a little bit too much burlap, so I'm doing a little bit less. So J-Bugs recommended spraying the foam or spray adhesiving the foam to the burlap, that way it don't slide around. So this is the only spray adhesive we have. I'm sure it'll work, we'll see.
And this should automatically have no wrinkles in it because it's gonna be tight. It looks tight. There we go. Yeah, that's all.
But at the same time means it might be painted on.
Yes. That's meant to be like that. Got the tail light in. And he's gonna wet sand.
We had to know somebody get some overspray.
Yeah, so there's overspray.
Painted it.
Somebody accidentally painted it with overspray, so we're trying to get it off of the light, make it look better. But I believe that it will come straight off with this sponge looking thing. We added the reflectors, and so there you go. It looks really good.
You got to pull it up.
Like I'm pulling it up.
Alright. Get it a little tighter.
This is temporarily though.
This is the hog ring set, where we can put the hog rings in the chair.
Phew. I wonder why they call them hog rings.
Because they're in the shape of a hog ring. Just a little squared off.
I don't know how tight it needs to be.
I'd do pretty tight.
Where?
Yeah, around this part.
Where's that? There's hog ring in here, right?
Oh,
I
they
believe
might
it's
have
hog deal ringed in here.
Oh.
So I'd bring it right to that edge and hog ring it right there.
We just got all the lights back on, except for this last fender.
Towards the top.
Oh, you still gotta do this side.
Mhm.
Well, you gotta put the. Did it have tall green right here? It did right here. Just gonna have to have something right here. You gotta cut that or something?
No, I don't know. It was just there. It don't go over it, I don't think.
It's the original seat, and this is going to be the new seat.
I guess that.
This went to here?
Yeah,
So right now we're trying to figure out what
It was
that
bent
does.
underneath it.
that's what I was saying.
But that's not gonna be very tight. I guess it will when you have to put one right there. That's nice. A little dirty, but work.
It's back seat.
Yeah. Is it comfortable? Can I sit in it?
No, because then you'll lean back.
I wouldn't lean back.
Put this up here. Okay.
We're taking out the seat belts so we can replace them with the new ones.
Yep. Or 17.
There ain't a 17 in there.
It's roaming around somewhere. Usually you take your right hand, you take it, stick it in there.
We got the rear seat belts in, and now we're trying to put in the carpet. So he's working on the seat now. This is the last thing we got to put into the Volkswagen for it to be completely finished. Well, I hope y'all guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for the next episode, which is going to be the final bug video. But please subscribe and like, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.